This is a phenomenal processor, namely AMD Ryzen 7 57G. This processor already has VGA in it, so without additional VGA, we can already play game. This processor have of CPU 8 core and of 60 of thread, make boost clock up to 8 Hz. Base clock 8 GHz. L2 change 4 MB, L3 change 60 MB. Default TDP 65 watt. Max operating temperature 9500. OS support Windows 10 64-bit edition. Connectivity PCI Express version 3. System memory type DDR4. Memory channel 2. System memory specification up to 2 billion mHz. This processor includes a fast processor in its class, proven to be able to bulldoze very heavy games. The advantage of this processor: very fast gaming result on integrated graphics, solid value for the level of performance, run cool under stress testing. Unlike Ryzen 4G chip, available for individual purchase, where stand cooler included in bulk. Disadvantage of this processor: 8 core will be overkill for some game and buyer. Perform in game with a dedicated GPU is like for the price. Limited motherboard compatibility at launch. So that was a glimpse of the AMD 757G processor. If you want to assemble a computer with like phone while continue to buy a VGA, the processor is worth buying while waiting for an external VGA. We can use the VGA in the processor for gaming. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subs and like.